Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Wuthering Waves, random lag, and stuttering on PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, first of all, we're going to go to our task manager while the game is running. So you're going to right click, and then from here you're going to click on task manager, and then search for the game. We're going to use this game as for an example, but it's going to be the exact same steps. You're going to right click on the application and then go to details. Once you do that, you're going to right click again, and then set the priority to high. This will allow the computer to focus its resources on the game. Now, the next step would be to go to your settings, then from here go to NVIDIA in case you have the NVIDIA graphics card. So open the NVIDIA control panel and then go to adjust image settings with preview, and as you can see there's a bar here that says from quality to performance. So if you're having a lot of lag and occurrences, then you're going to switch that all the way down to performance. Finally, you're going to check your drivers. So we're going to go to NVIDIA again. And if you have the GeForce Experience application, then this will help you to keep checking of your drivers. So simply open it right here, go to drivers, and then click on check for updates. And once you do that, it will check for all the newest updates. And if you have anything, then you can simply download it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.